I love it when people get excited about price action, and that is exactly what we've got going on in the crypto space right now. And yes, it is trickling down into the Terra Luna Classic, I guess community or social network, whatever you want to call it out there, where everybody is displaying their excitement around Terra Luna Classic, the upcoming projects, and really there's not a lot of negativity going on. Now, I'll be the first to say we don't have a ton of like game-changing proposals out there right now. We don't have a lot of forks in the road where, you know, if we go this direction, it could be good. If we go that direction, it could be bad. But we do have a lot going on in the Terra Luna Classic, I guess, environment when it comes to things being built, like that decentralized exchange Plus that we talked about yesterday. We're going to be discussing that a little bit more and the possibility for burning Terra Luna Classic there. And we've also got some new ideas for some even more tokens to involve themselves with the Terra Luna Classic network. So let's discuss it. Of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks. And a $1 crypto trade gets you $5 in free crypto. You guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff. You get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, it's important to know that KuCoin and Binance, they're great centralized exchanges, but anytime you hold on these centralized exchanges, it is considered a loan to them. It is not your asset. If they decide to take it, they can take it. So please be aware of that. Maybe a better place to hold on like a cold storage or DeFi wallet. So guys, I want to jump into this and let's briefly discuss, you know what, let's talk about the burns second. Let's get this other one out of the way because I want to spend a little bit more time on the burns there. But one of the validators for Terra Luna Classic has come up with the idea for a new token, all right? Now, everybody's always got their idea to create these new tokens, and this is a pretty interesting one. I don't know if it's going to be successful or not. It does take a lot to make a new token successful, and this one, 50% would be dropped to, I believe, Terra 1 wallets or Luna 2.0 out there, I think. Could be Terra Luna. I don't know. When they say Terra 1, who the heck knows if that's Terra Luna Classic now or Terra Luna 2.0. I believe it's Terra Luna 2.0 at this moment. But nonetheless, 50% of the supply is going to be dropped to them through an airdrop. And then the remaining 50% sold to the open market. Now, the idea is that the sale from, or the money raised from that sale would go to repegging USTC. Everybody's got this idea that in order for Terra Luna Classic to survive and thrive as a blockchain, we need to make sure that USTC is repegged. Look, I get it. There's an absolute allure to having a stable coin like that. But if the algorithm didn't work the first time around, whether it was through manipulation, corruption, exploitation, or whatever, if it didn't work the first time, why would it work the second time? So unless they're changing something major in order to create an actual stable coin, I don't know if that's necessarily going to be the best idea. And it could just be a lot of money spent on development and a lot of money raised to spend. Right? I think we understand with everybody wanting to raise as much money as possible right now, it's a little bit of a concern, right? Because you don't want something to go out there and people to lose money when they could have just bought Terra Luna Classic instead. So let's jump in and let's talk about Terra, because that is another token that is going to support this new Terraport decentralized exchange that Terra Civita is building out there. So we've got new tokens galore, right? Invest in them if you guys would like, but nonetheless, this decentralized exchange is going to be burning Terra Luna Classic. A lot of people get very excited on the idea of burns, and this could, yes, burn a lot of Terra Luna Classic. People are expecting potentially tens of millions of Terra Luna Classic per day to be burned. But let's talk about this briefly, because it's not going to be as easy as people expect. So currently, if you're using a decentralized exchange, it's most likely because the coins aren't available on a centralized exchange or you trust that decentralized exchange. When a new one comes in, they think that it's going to be extremely simple to gain millions of dollars, tens of millions of dollars, hundreds of millions of dollars a day in volume flowing through that exchange. Now, that is not something that should be expected overnight on any new decentralized exchange. You're always going to have concerns about the security, the safety, and so on. So don't just expect people to flow millions of dollars a day, which is what would be required to burn tens of millions of Terra Luna Classic per day. So I've seen a lot of articles written up already. I've seen a lot of blogs and tweets talking about the ability to burn tens of billions of Terra Luna Classic on a weekly basis because of this new Terraport decentralized exchange. Guys, it is going to... I'm unaware if people know the difference between a million and a billion, but a billion, 1 billion is 1,000 million. So even if you were going to burn 10 million Terra Luna Classic per day, it would take 100 days to burn 1 billion Terra Luna Classic. It would take 1,000 days to burn 10 billion Terra Luna Classic. So if you're doing $1 million a day in volume on this decentralized exchange, that is great. But you are going to need to do tens of millions or hundreds of millions of dollars per day in volume to begin to burn those levels. And that is, it's not a discouragement, right? It's a reality check on the vast difference between 1 million and 1 billion. And when it comes to burning Terra Luna Classic, I probably want to see that supply drop down more than anybody else out there. And I don't know if we're going to do it on the back of one decentralized exchange, unless, of course, it becomes one of the greatest decentralized exchanges in the game. It absolutely could. I don't know if we're there yet, but it is one thing that we've got to look forward to. Now, guys, Terra Luna Classic continues to follow the overall cryptocurrency market, so let's just talk about the price real quick. Bitcoin is reaching levels of resistance. If you guys pull back a daily chart, you can see that Bitcoin testing $21,500 up to $22,000 per coin is a very strong level of resistance that it was unable to break out above during the... I mean, it did briefly between June of 2022 and November of 2022 when it was cycling between that channel before finally breaking down on FTX news. But it fell right back down into that channel. So 21,000 to 22,000 is a very strong level of resistance. If Bitcoin is unable to break it and it begins to trend back down, I would absolutely expect Terra Luna Classic to trend back down as well. It's following the overall cryptocurrency market very heavily right now, and I believe that correlation will continue on at least until we get some sort of a bull market. I don't think we're there yet. 2 weeks of stringing gains together is very nice. It is refreshing. But if you look at everything that drove the prices down in the first place, none of that has improved yet. So I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below about a potential new coin in order to repeg USTC and this other new coin that we've got out there and how much Terra Luna Classic it's going to burn. Let us know down there, and of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we're growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You got KuCoin and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.